Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F54 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to Access Google section. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I do that, as you can see, my sweater and all of those options are gray. That means that Autofill is definitely off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!